Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Braintree Payment Gateway. Braintree is a widely used payment gateway that enables businesses to accept online payments via credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. To get started, visit Braintree's website and sign up for an account. Provide your business details and complete the required identity verification. Once your account is verified, you will receive API credentials to integrate Braintree into your website or app. Braintree offers useful features such as recurring billing, fraud protection, and support for multiple currencies, making it easy to accept payments from around the world. With simple integration and support for various payment methods, Braintree is an excellent solution for online payments. For additional guidance, refer to Braintree's developer documentation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.